YouTube has recently removed the ability to add clickable links in short-form videos, meaning that links on your short videos now only appear as regular text, not clickable, and therefore no longer directing viewers elsewhere. But they also have introduced new features that may serve as alternatives. So in this video, we will discuss some alternative ways to add clickable links into your short videos, and we will also explore the new features YouTube has introduced for content creators, which could be potentially solve the problem. So let's start by discussing the new features YouTube brought. If you are looking to sell your own products or to promote maybe affiliate products, and since clickable links are no longer an option in short form videos, you can utilize one or more of these new features, the YouTube Shopping and the YouTube Shopping affiliate programs. Both of these new features allow you to tag products directly in your videos, but only if your channel meets the necessary requirements. To use the YouTube Shopping feature, if you have a store outside of YouTube, then you can link it to your YouTube channel. And this feature enables you to open a store section on your channel and to tag products in your videos directly, including shorts, regular videos, and live streams. And if you want to use the other feature, the YouTube affiliate program, you don't need to own a store to use this feature. It allows you to directly tag affiliate products in your videos, including shorts, regular videos, and live streams. So when viewers click on these product tags, they will be redirected to the product page, similar to using a clickable link. You can find more information on the cards above and in the description part of this video. But what if your channel doesn't meet these requirements to use these features, or maybe you want to link something else than promoting products? In such cases, there are other alternatives you might consider. And the first method you will probably consider is switching to TikTok. If you are not already on TikTok, I can recommend you to start posting there as well, because TikTok has a unique audience base that could drive new traffic to your content. However, like YouTube, direct clickable links are also currently not possible on TikTok videos as well. But you can include a clickable link in your TikTok's bio section when you have more than 1000 followers on TikTok. So if you follow this method, you will not only reach a new audience, but you can also redirect your viewers from your TikTok videos to your TikTok bio section, where they can find a clickable link. And if you want to learn how to add clickable links on TikTok, then check out my other video as well. Now the question is, can you also use clickable links in YouTube's profile section like TikTok? Yes, you can do that, and in addition, YouTube allows up to 6 different links, if I remember correctly, unlike TikTok's single link limit. So if you follow this method, you can redirect your viewers from your short videos to your channel's bio section, where you can include multiple clickable links, maybe to your website or your other social media profiles, and so on. Another method you can use is to encourage your viewers to sign up for your newsletter. A newsletter is a great way to reach your audience directly with a single email, giving you independence of any social media algorithms and changes, and you can include as many clickable links as you wish in your emails. Some popular newsletter services you can use is MailChimp, ConvertKit, Substack, and there are also other ones. By the way, I also have a newsletter. If you wish, you can subscribe for completely free from the link below. Another important feature that YouTube has introduced in the last recent weeks is the ability to link your short videos directly to your long-form videos. In order to link your short videos to a long video, go to your YouTube studio, then go to the details section of one of your short videos. Here on the right side, you can click to the related videos section, and here you can select a long form video that will be connected to your short form video later. Let's choose this one, for example. By using this way, when you go back to your short video, a clickable link appears in your short video, and when your viewers will click on it, they will be redirected to your long form video. If you use this method, you will not only create a bridge between your short form content and your long videos, but also your audience will have access to your clickable links in the description or in the comment section of your long form videos. My personal strategy would be that if I were promoting a product but I couldn't use the new features that YouTube has recently introduced, then I would first create a long form, a detailed review or a product demonstration video, for example, with some clickable links. Then, as the second step, I would create multiple related short form videos, and I would redirect the viewers to the long form video that I created before. And as the third step, I would also share this short form content on TikTok as well to reach a new, broader audience. Now you might say that this approach requires a lot of effort rather than just creating a short video and posting it on YouTube. And if you think you don't have enough time for doing all of these things, then there is an AI tool specifically for this job which can be really helpful in your content creation process. And this AI tool is called Opus Clip. When you upload to Opus Clip a long form video, it creates multiple short, engaging videos for you, and also it adds automatic titles and descriptions to these short form videos. It also gives you the option to publish them to social media directly from the program. Check out my next video if you want more information about Opus Clip. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and feel free to share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.